Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning today, and I'm your examiner, and I'm going to take your speaking level test. First of all, how are you today?
I'm pretty well.
Could I know your full name?
My full name is Ananya Akhtar and my nickname is Ananya.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brahmanbaria.
What do you do?
I'm a student. I just finished my SSC exam.
So, what's your result?
I got 4.83.
What do you want to be?
Maybe I just want to settle in USA.
USA. Oh, great. So, do you have any relatives in USA?
Not close relative, actually.
Where do you live right now?
I live in Dhaka. To be more specifically, at Shamali.
Could I know about your family members?
My family consists of 6 members. My parents including me, we are 4 siblings.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Would you like to be a businesswoman?
I don't have decided yet.
Okay, I got it. Your point. What does your mother do?
My mother is homemaker.
And how many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings.
Where's your position?
I'm in 3rd.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to watch movies and reading books and gardening.
Gardening.
Yes.
Do you love gardening?
Yes, sir.
How much?
Too much.
Too much. Oh, great. You mentioned earlier that so whenever you get free time, you watch movies. But I would like to know what types of movies basically do you watch?
I like to watch funny movies and action movies.
Action movies.
Yes.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is gray.
Do you love traveling?
Yes, I love travels.
Have you ever been to anywhere of Bangladesh?
Actually, no. My family.
Do you have any plan to go Cox's Bazar?
Yes, in future.
How many friends do you have?
I have 2 friends, best friends, close friends from 5 years.
Could I know the name of your best friend, if you don't mind?
Yes, my friend name is, first friend is Ariba Zuhaira and the second is Rifat Jahan Jyoti.
And why do you think so? They are your best friend.
Because we are close for 5 or 6 years together and we also studied from same schools.
Now you can speak in English very well. And how do you feel?
Pretty confident.
Very confident. Okay. How was your spoken journey? I would like to know.
My spoken journey is quite smooth because I'm trying to spoken for 1 year, but not specifically tried. But sometimes when I want to try, I want. But most of the time, I just try to think that I have to speak English, but it doesn't happen. Didn't happen. So,
what's your opinion about your institute? That means Rahat English here.
I can say it's the opportunity for everyone to stand up and speak in front of everyone because before I have no chance to speak in English with someone because then I hear and I got the chance to speak in English with in front of all the audience. So it inspired me to speak loudly and confidently.
Now your speaking test is done. Alhamdulillah, you're a very good speaker and now you can speak in English very well.